Hello everyone. I have bought natural gas at 3.99 yesterday. The reason is I see bullish pattern X A B C D. Yeah. So I see this bullish pattern. That's why I got in. I didn't get in here. Somewhere around here, 390, 399, right? So, of course, stop is below this line, 386, maybe 380, and target is here, right? So here, short term. But in the big picture, the market has been in this narrow trading range between 39-ish and then 420-ish here, right? So it has been in this narrow trading range. So if this plays out, it may form X, A, B, C, D, something like this, right? Some bearish pattern. So it could end up being another short-term trade within that narrow trading range, within this narrow trading range. But to me, because we are approaching end of month and end of quarter, I think it's important to consider the big picture, right? So let's look at the monthly. Oh, so okay. Let me remove this one. Is it okay here? Okay. So it's important how March ends, right? With respect to February. What I mean by that is February closing was 3834. So we need to watch whether March ends above this one or below 3834, right? Because if it falls below 3834, there's a chance it may pull back. I think I saw this one, right? Something like this, right? I'm looking at this on September 2021 and October 2021. So meaning it made a high, intraday high, but finished lower, right? And after that, it had a 3 months pullback, right? So I'm not saying it will do the same thing, but there's a chance it may do the same thing because market doesn't go up straight, right? It goes up in wave. So like if there's some extended advance without much pullback, like this one, so there's 1 month pullback here, but it is quite shallow. Another one here, but how many months? Since October last year, it didn't have some meaningful pullback yet, right? So there's a chance this time natural gas may pull back, something like this, right, along this line. So we need to watch whether March ends above February closing high or not, right? And also because this is a quarter end, the quarter end price at 36. This one, oh sorry, 3633. So we need to also watch whether this quarter, the first quarter, ends below or above this point, right? 3633, right? So if it falls below 3633, so there's a chance it may pull back, right? Maybe. So how much it pull back? So that's where the support and resistance comes in, right? So for those who are not familiar with drawing a support line, I do like this, right? So yeah, this one works too. So here is a support line to me, meaning I look at this one, whether it got support many times, and also resistance, right? Support here, resistance here, and then support here, right? And another support here. So that's why this is a support line. To me, this is very important, 250-ish. And then similarly, like the other ones too, this one, for example, 37-ish, it will support here, resistance here, resistance, big spike and resistance pullback, resistance, support, right? So this is a support. So if that's how I draw these lines. So if monthly falls below, what was it, 380 something, 3834, and then there's a chance it can pull back for a couple of months. Then where will it likely to stop? We don't know. I mean, I don't know, but there's a chance. First time it's here. Okay, let's make it bigger. So we have a few supports here. So first support is 37-ish, and the next one is there's a minor support 340 and between 330 and 340, and then more bigger support. Not surprisingly, around $3. It's a psychological round number, big round number. Or it could be here, right? 360-ish, sorry, 260-ish, 250 and 260-ish. Or it could be here too, right? So I don't know how, if it falls, which one will get supported, but these are potential support candidates, right? On the other hand, if the market closes above the monthly close and quarterly close, then it can challenge the resistance, right? So I draw the same resistance here. To me, the first one is like the big one is 430 and 450-ish. So we got support here, and yeah. Which one was here, right? Resistance here. Yeah, resistance here. So that's why this is support resistance, and similarly this one around 5 and 520-ish, right? So resistance here, and then if I make it bigger, support here, right? Oh, sorry, not this one, this line. So support around here, and similarly this one. So yeah, so this one and this one 5, 7-ish, and then 650-ish, right? So at this point, so that's why that's what I'm gonna focus on. To me, the next Monday, March 31st, is very important. But immediately, let's go back. Here, we have this small bullish pattern. Let me draw it again. X, A, B, C, D. So I want to see how it plays out immediately. Whether this line, right, to 427, 430-ish, whether it can exceed this line or not, right? So that's so my focus, immediate focus, 430 and then 38ish here, whether it will break this narrow trading range or not. But my bigger focus is, as I said, next Monday, March 31st, whether it can close above this February high and then last quarter high, right? Okay, I think I got everything. Okay, so again, be careful out there, and I'll update you once I make my next move. Okay, cheers.